A food handler places cooked chicken next to raw seafood in the refrigerator. What is the primary violation? A. Improper food labeling. B. Cross-contamination due to storage order. C. Incomplete cooking process. D. Poor temperature control. Answer B. Raw seafood should always be stored below cooked or ready-to-eat foods to prevent raw juices from contaminating safe foods. This error violates proper storage hierarchy and cross-contamination prevention. The danger zone for bacterial growth in food is between A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 25 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 45 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. Pathogens multiply rapidly between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit, known as the danger zone. Keeping food outside this range minimizes bacterial growth. A food handler finishes handling raw eggs and needs to prepare sandwiches. What should they do first? A. Wipe hands with a towel. B. Wash hands with soap and warm water. C. Use sanitizer only. D. Put on new gloves without washing hands. Answer B. Hand washing with soap and warm water removes pathogens such as salmonella found on raw eggs, ensuring food safety during preparation. A ready-to-eat salad stored at 50 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours must be A. Served immediately. B. Reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Thrown away. D. Chilled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit before serving. Answer C. Ready-to-eat foods must stay at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. At 50 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours, bacterial growth occurs, making the food unsafe to eat. What type of sanitizer is most effective in hard water conditions? A. Chlorine-based sanitizer. B. Quaternary ammonium compound. C. Iodine-based sanitizer. D. Alcohol sanitizer. Answer B. Quaternary ammonium compounds, quats, maintain effectiveness in hard water and are stable at neutral pH, making them ideal for commercial kitchens. Which food is most likely to cause botulism if improperly stored? A. Fresh lettuce. B. Canned vegetables. C. Cooked rice. D. Frozen fish. Answer B. Improperly canned foods create an anaerobic environment where Clostridium botulinum thrives, producing deadly toxins. When using the first in, first out, FIFO method, food should be A. Used in any order. B. Stored alphabetically. C. Used according to oldest by date first. D. Repackaged daily. Answer C. FIFO ensures older stock is used first to reduce spoilage and maintain freshness. The correct minimum internal cooking temperature for ground beef is A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer C. Ground beef must reach 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds to kill harmful bacteria like E. coli. A food handler has a sore throat and fever but no vomiting. What should the manager do? A. Allow the employee to work in food prep. B. Restrict from working with food. C. Allow them to serve customers. D. Have them wear gloves and continue. Answer B. Employees with sore throat and fever must be restricted from food areas, especially if working around ready-to-eat foods, to prevent contamination. Which of the following is considered a physical contaminant? A. Bacteria from dirty hands. B. sanitizer residue. C. Glass shards from a broken bulb. D. Salmonella on poultry. Answer: C. Physical contaminants include objects like glass, metal, or hair that can cause injury or illness if ingested. What is the minimum time a surface must stay wet when sanitizing with chlorine? A. 7 seconds. B. 10 seconds. C. 30 seconds. D. 1 minute. Answer: C. Chlorine sanitizers need at least 30 seconds of contact time to destroy most microorganisms effectively. Which condition promotes the fastest bacterial growth? A. Dry and cold. B. Moist and warm. C. Salty and acidic. D. Frozen and dry. Answer: B. Moisture and warmth provide ideal conditions for bacterial multiplication, especially near the danger zone temperature range. The correct way to cool a large pot of soup is to: A. Place it immediately in the refrigerator. B. Leave it covered at room temperature. C. Divide it into shallow pans. D. Add cold water to it. Answer: C. Shallow pans increase surface area, allowing food to cool quickly and safely to below 41 degrees Fahrenheit within 6 hours. Which food allergen must be declared on menus and labels? A. Pepper. B. Tomato. C. Wheat. D. Salt. Answer: C. Wheat is one of the 8 major allergens under U.S. law and must be disclosed to protect consumers with allergies. The main purpose of HACCP is to: A. Document food deliveries. B. Identify and control food safety hazards. C. Increase food sales. D. Replace local food codes. Answer: B. The Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point (HACCP) system prevents contamination by identifying potential hazards before they occur. Food contact surfaces must be cleaned and sanitized. A. Once daily. B. After every 4 hours of use. C. Only at closing. D. Only after visible dirt appears. Answer: B. ServSafe standards require sanitizing food contact surfaces every 4 hours or when switching between different food types. Which jewelry is allowed for food handlers? A. Diamond ring. B. Medical alert bracelet. C. Plain wedding band. D. Watch. Answer: C. Only a plain band ring is permitted because it poses minimal contamination risk. What is the most accurate method to check food temperatures? A. Touching the food surface. B. Using a calibrated thermometer. C. Estimating based on time. D. Reading storage labels. Answer: B. Only a properly calibrated thermometer can accurately measure food temperatures for safety compliance. Which symptom requires immediate exclusion from food handling? A. Mild headache. B. Runny nose. C. Vomiting. D. Fatigue. Answer: C. Vomiting indicates possible infection and requires exclusion until symptom-free for 24 hours or cleared by a doctor. When washing hands, the minimum time for scrubbing with soap is: A. 10 seconds. B. 15 seconds. C. 20 seconds. D. 30 seconds. Answer: C. The CDC and ServSafe recommend scrubbing for at least 20 seconds to remove bacteria and dirt effectively. The correct internal temperature for poultry is: A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: D. Poultry must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure the destruction of bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter. How should chemicals be stored in a food service operation? A. Next to dry goods. B. Above food items. C. Away from food and utensils. D. In the food prep area. Answer: C. Chemicals must be stored separately from food to prevent accidental contamination through spills or fumes. A delivery of cold food should be rejected if the temperature is A. 38 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 42 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: C. Cold food must arrive at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Any higher temperature indicates a potential safety risk. The safest way to thaw frozen meat is A. On the countertop overnight. B. In cold running water. C. In a warm oven. D. At room temperature. Answer: B. Thawing under cold running water, below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, prevents bacterial growth by keeping the surface cold. Which action best prevents chemical contamination? A. Mixing sanitizer with detergent. B. Using only food-grade lubricants. C. Labeling spray bottles in any language. D. Using more sanitizer for stronger cleaning. Answer: B. Only food-grade chemicals should be used near food contact areas to avoid toxic contamination.